Slice, dice, and conquer with the sharpest kitchen knives. From chef-approved favorites to cutting-edge innovations, we're cutting through the noise. This intro is short, punchy, and straight to the point, and it sets the tone for a video that's all about showcasing the best kitchen knives. Number 5. Kitchen Knife Set with VG10 Steel Core Ultra Sharp. The Aceti Japanese Knife Set 3 PCS is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality kitchen knife set. The set includes an 8-inch chef's knife, 7-inch Santoku knife, and 5.5-inch utility knife, all of which are made with a VG10 Damascus steel core and a G10 military-grade handle. The knives are NSF certified and feature a full tang construction and a sharp edge of 15 degrees per side. They are comfortable to use and remain sharp even after long-term use. The set also comes with a lifetime guarantee, making it an ideal gift for any special occasion. Number 4. Jiko New 67 Layers Carbon Steel Japanese Knife Set. The Jiko New 67 Layers Carbon Steel Japanese Knife Set is a complete set of 6 knives that are forged in a 67 layers VG10 steel in the pure Japanese tradition, reputed to be the excellence in sharpness and resistance far ahead of the classic industrial steels. The handles of the knives are made of walnut and mahogany wood, perfectly balanced and suitable for both left and right-handed chefs. The added carbon and liquid nitrogen treatment make them 4 times stronger than conventional steel kitchen knives. With a 15-blade angle for fast, efficient cuts, these knives are sharp and durable. Plus, you can buy risk-free with a 90-day refund or replacement policy. Number 3. Bruin Kefalosify 5-Piece Chef Knife Set. Bruin's Kefalosify 5-Piece Chef Knife Set is a top-shelf cooking knife set that has been painstakingly crafted with expert chefs in mind. Featuring ultra-tough 1.4116 German stainless steel with a Rockwell hardness score of 56+. These knives are razor-sharp and highly durable. The ergonomic design of the Packwood handles ensures perfect balance and a luxurious feel. This set includes 2 8-inch knives, a Santoku Japanese knife, a 5-inch utility knife, and a smaller paring knife for peeling and prep. Number 2. Professional Knife Set for Kitchen with Gift Box. The Skoll Chef Knife Ultra Sharp Kitchen Knife Set 3-Piece Premium German 1.4116 Stainless Steel Chef's Knife Set. Ergonomic Handle Professional Knives Set for Kitchen with Gift Box is a perfect way to start a new knife set. The ergonomic handle design result in a comfortable grip that minimize fatigue while maximizing cutting accuracy. The Skoll kitchen knife set are made of imported high-quality German 1.4116 stainless steel, which is durable, stain-resistant, and rust-resistant. The knives are incredibly sharp and sturdy, enough to keep it last a lifetime. The set comes in a nice presentation box, which is nice for you and or also makes a great gift. Number 1. Slitzer Germany 7-Piece Chef's Knife Set. The Slitzer Germany 7-Piece Chef's Knife Set is a stylish and practical collection of professional-grade kitchen knives. This set includes a 13 chef's knife, 13 bread knife, 13 slicing knife, 9.5 utility knife, 8 paring knife, and a 13 sharpener, all with ergonomically designed handles that feel perfect in either hand, and a stylish case for easy storage and fast travel. The full tang construction of the blades provides powerfully durable performance, and the blades are razor sharp out of the box. This set is perfect for anyone from home foodies to professional chefs, providing a reliable set of cutting tools for a budget price that will last a lifetime.